Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to copy your profile link on Discord using your Android device. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, look at the top of your screen. You'll see several options. Tap on Add Friends. This will direct you to the section where you can connect with other users. Next, once you're in the Add Friends section, you'll notice a few icons at the top. Look for the Copy Link icon. This is the magic button. Tap on it, and voila! You've just copied your Discord profile link to your clipboard. Now you can easily share your profile with friends or anyone you want to connect with on Discord. Whether you're inviting someone to join your server or just sharing your contact info, it's all set. That's it. You've successfully copied your Discord profile link on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy Discording.